Good day, everyone. Let's kick things off with an inspiring quote from the Bible. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ecclesiastes 3:11. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Today, I'll show you the top 15 easiest fruits to grow in containers. Spoiler alert, they're all delicious. Whether you're an urban dweller or just looking to maximize your space, these fruits are perfect for you. Let's get fruity. First up, strawberries. They're small, hardy, and perfect for hanging baskets or small pots. Plus, who doesn't love fresh strawberries in the summer? They're like nature's candy. Next, we have blueberries. These little gems thrive in containers as long as they have acidic soil. They're basically the divas of the fruit world. Just remember, they need a lot of sunlight. Think of them as sunbathers. Third on the list, raspberries. These are great because they can grow vertically, making them perfect for small spaces. They're the acrobats of the berry family. Let's not forget about blackberries. Similar to raspberries, they grow well in containers and can provide a bountiful harvest. They're like raspberries' cooler cousin. Number 5. Dwarf citrus trees. Think lemons, limes, and even oranges. They do well in pots and bring a splash of color to your patio. Plus, they make your drinks look fancy. Moving on. Figs. These trees are surprisingly low maintenance and do well in containers. They're the chill dudes of the fruit world. Just make sure they get plenty of sun. They're sun worshippers. Next, we have apples. Yes, you heard that right. Dwarf apple trees can thrive in pots. Just remember to prune them regularly. They're like bonsai trees with benefits. Number 8. Pears. Like apples, dwarf varieties can be grown in containers and still produce a good harvest. They're the underdogs of the fruit world. Ninth. Cherries. These are another great option for container gardening. Dwarf cherry trees can provide a sweet harvest in a small space. They're the sweethearts of the garden. Let's talk about peaches. These trees are beautiful and can thrive in pots. Just be sure to give them lots of sunlight. They're the divas of the garden. Next, nectarines. Like peaches, they do well in containers and are perfect for small spaces. They're peaches' stylish cousins. Number 12. Pomegranates. These are not only beautiful but also very hardy and perfect for containers. They're the supermodels of the fruit world. 13th. Pineapples. Yes, you can grow pineapples in containers. They just need warmth and good drainage. They're the tropical vacation of fruits. 14. Avocados. These can be grown in pots too. Just remember to bring them indoors if it gets too cold. They're the hipsters of the fruit world. And last but not least, bananas. Dwarf banana trees can thrive in containers, providing you with a tropical vibe and delicious fruit. They're the party animals of the garden. There you have it. The top 15 easiest fruits to grow in containers. Your garden will be the talk of the town. Remember, gardening is a journey, and every plant you grow is a step towards a greener and healthier life. Plus, it's a great way to show off to your neighbors. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Now go get your hands dirty.